This is the flexible single steel roller conveyor. It is 20 feet long after expanded, 8.2 feet after closed, 18 inches wide, and its height is adjustable from 2 feet to 3.25 feet. Now it is 2 feet high. I'll show you how to make the height to be 2.5 feet. Let's take a closer look at the detailed parts of conveyor. This is the galvanized steel roller. Its diameter is 1.97 inches with precision bearing inside. Conveyor frame is made by ribbed plate, and the conveyor length is made by square tube. This is the package stopper, and this is the joint hook, which used to connect the conveyor with another conveyor or machine. All the components except the plastic parts are all zinc plated to stop them rusting. Now I'll show you how the conveyor works. We move the conveyor to the transport place and expand it to be a required length. Then we lock the caster to fix the conveyor. When the conveyor surface is horizontal, goods transport on it by push. And we can also make the conveyor surface inclined. Then goods flow from the high end to the low end by gravity. And this conveyor's load capacity is 200 pounds per feet. Here we take a small test to prove it. There are 6 cartons, and each carton is 100 pounds. We put all the 6 cartons on the conveyor on 3 feet length. We also let our 3 workers stand on the conveyor. Now we check the conveyor components. You see, they are all okay. At last, I show you the conveyor packing and how to do the assembly. All the conveyor is put inside this big carton. Carton is 8.2 feet long. If you think 8.2 feet is too long for one carton, we can also apart the conveyor into 2 units and put them into 2 cartons. Each carton is 4.1 feet. And conveyor assembly include the link assembly and package stopper assembly. You will find that the assembly is a very easy job. What's more, there are installation instructions and product recommendation in every carton to help user.